Morning, Chris. Fuzzy here, Burtness Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin. 2021 Subaru Outback. This one's very well equipped. It's got 19,000 miles on it. It's got a roof, heated seats, heated leather. It's got Harman Kardon sound system. This thing is loaded right down. Subaru with their proven all-wheel drive, of course. This one's not missing much. Very, very well equipped. Very good condition. Get back out here for you. Memory seats. This is the XT. Great looking car all the way around, 19,000 miles. Burtness Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin. My name is Fuzzy, 608-879-2973. And please remember to ask for Fuzzy. Thanks for looking today, Chris.